Welcome to today's journey into serenity and creativity. In this video, we'll explore how to create your very own DIY wall fountain, turning your backyard into a garden water feature that offers soothing water sounds and a perfect outdoor relaxation escape. Whether you're new to DIY garden projects or a seasoned enthusiast, you're in the right place. Make your DIY garden project interactive. Add stepping stones or a walking path that leads visitors right to your DIY wall fountain. This intentional design deepens the relaxing journey through your garden water feature. Paint the background wall a calming color. Earth tones or soft blue hues enhance the tranquil effect of your DIY wall fountain. Water sounds combined with peaceful visuals multiply the benefits of outdoor relaxation. Mix materials for contrast. Blend wood, metal, and stone in your DIY wall fountain for a modern twist. This garden water feature design adds dimension while preserving that peaceful water sounds vibe for your outdoor relaxation space. Add a mini pond below your DIY wall fountain. It collects the water gracefully and gives space for floating lilies or goldfish, a perfect touch for a serene garden water feature experience. Install a bench under a pergola next to your fountain. This creates a shaded nook for outdoor relaxation. With the water sounds just a few feet away, this setup becomes your new favorite escape. For a rustic look, use reclaimed wood as your fountain backdrop. It adds character and warmth to your DIY garden project. And with water gently flowing over it, you achieve that vintage garden water feature aesthetic. Turn your morning coffee ritual into something special. Sit beside your DIY wall fountain, let the water sounds accompany your thoughts, and begin the day grounded. This DIY garden project makes every morning better. Wind chimes nearby? Great idea. The soft tones of chimes blending with your DIY wall fountain's flow creates a layered soundscape that enhances the entire garden water feature atmosphere. Turn your DIY wall fountain into a nighttime ritual. Dim the lights, play soft music, and let the water sounds be your guide into deep outdoor relaxation. It's your garden water feature transformed into a sleep sanctuary. Make it pet-friendly. Many animals love fresh water sources. With proper design, your DIY wall fountain can be a safe and clean garden water feature for pets to enjoy too. Add a sculpture or statue beside your fountain. It adds personality and creates an artistic focal point, turning your DIY garden project into a gallery of sound, texture, and tranquility. Let vines grow up around the edges. Ivy, jasmine, or creeping fig can frame your DIY wall fountain beautifully, softening hard edges and turning your garden water feature into a lush outdoor relaxation haven. Design your fountain to match your garden theme: tropical, desert, cottagecore, or modern minimalist. Your DIY wall fountain can adapt to any aesthetic while still delivering those essential water sounds. Reflect and journal near your DIY wall fountain. Let the natural rhythms of water sounds inspire thought, gratitude, and clarity. Your garden water feature is more than a project, it's your sanctuary. Thank you for joining us on this 60-minute journey into the world of DIY wall fountains. We hope you're inspired to create your own garden water feature and experience the joy of water sounds and outdoor relaxation. Until next time, happy building and peaceful living.